Number 1. Go for a walk. It means to take a leisurely walk, usually for pleasure or exercise.
Let's go for a walk in the park. Let's go for a walk in the park. They go for a walk every evening. They go for a walk every evening. He went for a walk to relax. He went for a walk to relax.
Number 2. Go gray. It means to have one's hair turn gray, typically due to aging.
My father started to go gray in his 40s. My father started to go gray in his 40s. She decided to let her hair go gray naturally. She decided to let her hair go gray naturally. As he aged, his hair went gray. As he aged, his hair went gray.
Number 3. Go hang gliding. It means to participate in the sport of hang gliding.
They decided to go hang gliding on vacation. They decided to go hang gliding on vacation. If you go hang gliding, be cautious. If you go hang gliding, be cautious. Have you ever gone hang gliding? Have you ever gone hang gliding?
Number 4. Go hill walking. It means to walk up and down hills as a form of exercise or recreation.
Let's go hill walking this weekend. Let's go hill walking this weekend. They go hill walking to stay fit. They go hill walking to stay fit. He loves to go hill walking in Scotland. He loves to go hill walking in Scotland.
Number 5. Go into great detail. It means to explain something thoroughly and with a lot of specific information.
The professor went into great detail about the theory. The professor went into great detail about the theory. She went into great detail about her vacation. She went into great detail about her vacation. He didn't go into great detail about the incident. He didn't go into great detail about the incident.
Number 6. Go into partnership with. It means to start a business relationship with another person or company.
She decided to go into partnership with a friend. She decided to go into partnership with a friend. They will go into partnership with a leading tech company. They will go into partnership with a leading tech company. He's considering going into partnership with his brother. He's considering going into partnership with his brother.
Number 7. Go numb. It means to lose sensation in a part of the body, typically due to cold or inactivity.
My fingers went numb in the cold. My fingers went numb in the cold. After sitting a while, my legs went numb. After sitting a while, my legs went numb. She said her toes went numb during the hike. She said her toes went numb during the hike.
Number 8. Go on foot. It means to walk, rather than using any form of transportation.
We decided to go on foot to the market. We decided to go on foot to the market. It's close, let's go on foot. It's close, let's go on foot. They went on foot despite the rain. They went on foot despite the rain.
Number 9. Go on the stage. It means to perform or appear in front of an audience, typically in a theater.
He's nervous to go on the stage tonight. He's nervous to go on the stage tonight. When will you go on the stage? When will you go on the stage? The actors went on the stage at 8. The actors went on the stage at 8.
Number 10. Go on tour. It means to travel to different places to perform or exhibit.
The band will go on tour next month. The band will go on tour next month. She's excited to go on tour with the play. She's excited to go on tour with the play. They're going on tour across Europe. They're going on tour across Europe.
Number 11. Go on trial. It means to be judged in a court of law.
He will go on trial for the robbery. He will go on trial for the robbery. The case caused her to go on trial. The case caused her to go on trial. They went on trial last week. They went on trial last week.
Number 12. Go out of business. It means to cease operations, typically due to financial problems.
Many shops go out of business every year. Many shops go out of business every year. The small cafe went out of business recently. The small cafe went out of business recently. If sales don't improve, we'll go out of business. If sales don't improve, we'll go out of business.
Number 13. Go red. It means to become flushed, especially in the face, often from embarrassment or exertion.
Her face went red when she felt embarrassed. Her face went red when she felt embarrassed. He goes red easily in the sun. He goes red easily in the sun. She went red after the intense workout. She went red after the intense workout.
Number 14. Go running. It means to engage in the activity of running, usually as exercise.
I go running every morning before work. I go running every morning before work. They go running together on weekends. They go running together on weekends. She went running despite the cold weather. She went running despite the cold weather.
Number 15. Go sailing. It means to engage in the sport or activity of sailing boats.
Let's go sailing this weekend if it's sunny. Let's go sailing this weekend if it's sunny. They love to go sailing during the summer. They love to go sailing during the summer. He went sailing and enjoyed the sea breeze. He went sailing and enjoyed the sea breeze.
Number 16. Go skateboarding. It means to participate in the activity of riding a skateboard.
The kids go skateboarding after school. The kids go skateboarding after school. She went skateboarding in the park yesterday. She went skateboarding in the park yesterday. They often go skateboarding in the skate park. They often go skateboarding in the skate park.
Number 17. Go skiing. It means to engage in the sport of skiing, typically on snow.
We go skiing every winter in the mountains. We go skiing every winter in the mountains. She's excited to go skiing this December. She's excited to go skiing this December. They went skiing in the Alps last year. They went skiing in the Alps last year.
Number 18. Go smoothly. It means to proceed easily and without interruption or difficulty.
I hope the presentation goes smoothly. I hope the presentation goes smoothly. The event went smoothly, thanks to good planning. The event went smoothly, thanks to good planning. They made sure everything went smoothly during the trip. They made sure everything went smoothly during the trip.
Number 19. Go snowboarding. It means to participate in the sport of snowboarding.
He can't wait to go snowboarding again. He can't wait to go snowboarding again. Many tourists go snowboarding in this area. Many tourists go snowboarding in this area. They went snowboarding for the first time last year. They went snowboarding for the first time last year.
Number 20. Go solo. It means to do something alone, especially after being part of a group.
She decided to go solo on her music career. She decided to go solo on her music career. After the band broke up, he went solo. After the band broke up, he went solo. The artist went solo and released her album. The artist went solo and released her album.
Number 21. Go surfing. It means to engage in the sport of riding waves in the ocean on a surfboard.
He likes to go surfing on summer weekends. He likes to go surfing on summer weekends. She went surfing for the first time yesterday. She went surfing for the first time yesterday. They often go surfing near the pier. They often go surfing near the pier.
Number 25. Go to a lecture. It means to attend a formal presentation or speech, typically on a specific subject.
We will go to a lecture on ancient history. We will go to a lecture on ancient history. She went to a lecture at the university. She went to a lecture at the university. They like to go to lectures together. They like to go to lectures together.
Number 22. Go to judo karate. It means to attend a judo or karate class or session.
She goes to karate every Thursday. She goes to karate every Thursday. They go to judo to learn self-defense. They go to judo to learn self-defense. He started going to karate as a child. He started going to karate as a child.
Number 23. Go to yoga. It means to attend a yoga class or practice yoga.
I go to yoga to relax and stretch. I go to yoga to relax and stretch. They go to yoga classes at the community center. They go to yoga classes at the community center. She goes to yoga with her friends weekly. She goes to yoga with her friends weekly.
Number 24. Go to war. It means to engage in or start a war.
The countries went to war after talks failed. The countries went to war after talks failed. He went to war and returned a hero. He went to war and returned a hero. They didn't want to go to war. They didn't want to go to war.